I am my own hero. Yeah, when you don't have your own hero, you become one, right? So I have become my own hero right now. My dad, I think he's forever is going to be my dad. He's my hero. He's supported me like a hero. He fought for me like a hero.
पर कभी सोचा है इंस्टाग्राम पे, सोशल मीडिया पे कोई भी पिक्चर अगर एक आपके चहीते सितारे के बारे में नजर आती है तो उसके पीछे कितना थॉट प्रोसेस है, या फिर एक पिक्चर या पोस्ट डालने से पहले कितने सारे फिल्टर्स के साथ किया था एक्सपेरिमेंट आपके फेवरेट सितारे ने, या फिर शायद एक कैप्शन लिखने से पहले क्या कुछ से उन्होंने सोचा नहीं होगा, या फिर कौन से गालिब या कौन से शेर और शायरी के उस्ताद को उन्होंने किया होगा फॉलो। वेल, आज के सेगमेंट टेलीचक्र प्रेजेंट्स यादों की बारात विद मी विशाखा पंडित में मेरी खास मेहमान है, यह है मोहब्बतें की सुपरस्टार शिरीन मिर्जा। वेल, उनके साथ हम जानेंगे उनके इंस्टाग्राम की, उनके सोशल मीडिया की कुछ ऐसी खास यादें जो वो करेंगे हमारे साथ रिलेट और करेंगे उनको डीकोड। तो आइए चलिए करते हैं स्वागत शिरीन का और जानते हैं उनके इंस्टाग्राम की ये खास गुप्त कहानियों के बारे में। First one was, there's this reel that you have posted just recently. I liked what you're doing in the reel, but I really want to know that what was the thought behind it?
The bikini shoot reel, right? So I was just posing and my mom told me that I'm looking too short, and coming this from my mother was a big shock. Yeah, I was like, मैं छोटी कैसी लग सकती हूँ? इतनी बेटा बहुत टिंगनी सी लग रही है, तो समझ नहीं आ रहा मुझे। So I thought और कुछ छोड़ो, इस पे बिकिनी शूट वाला रील लगा दो। This was my thought process. चलो।
जिसका कैप्शन है Love your flaws, own your quirks, and the picture is this.
Yeah, I found myself too cute in this, and also a little fat, so I thought, yeah, to put it like that. Love your flaws, be cute.
Next one, I know कि वो कहाँ का है, लेकिन आपने एक सवाल पूछा उस पिक्चर में, so I would want you to answer also.
Oh shit! I said question. Oh shit! Caption it. Oh, because I wanted to know what I was thinking. I was clueless. This I've got from my still photographer from IHM. He sent me after an year. And I wanted to know कि मैं कहाँ देख के और क्या सोचने की कोशिश कर रही थी। तो शायद मेरी ऑडियंस को याद आ जाए इस सीन से।
आपने एली के लिए पोस्ट किया था, उनका बर्थडे था, and you posted like a complete chunk of videos and small pictures, and it's really fun. What do you have to say about this?
This is from my birthday party. तो ये पता नहीं अपनी मसल दिखाना चाह रहा है, क्या कर रहा है? I don't know about that picture. But yeah, he's like a baby brother too.
मतलब एक second I thought he was trying to feed you the cake, but now when you said muscle, I also realized, yeah, like.
Oh, is he trying to feed you the cake? Oh,
no, somebody from the front. Yeah, somebody
अच्छा.
from the front is feeding, और उनका focus है कि I'll show my muscle kind of a thing, you know?
हाँ, तो पिक्चर में फायदा उठा लूँ ना मैं अपनी पिक्चर में.
Okay, the next one है, उसका caption है Be your own hero. So इसके बारे में आप क्या कहेंगी? कौन है आपके लिए आपका हीरो लाइफ में?
Your own, me, myself. I am my own hero. Yeah, when you don't have your own hero, you become one, right? So I have become my own hero right now.
But then in your life, who do you want to tag as a hero in your life? Like, you know?
My dad, for sure. Right now, my dad, I think he's forever is going to be my dad. He's my hero. He's supported me like a hero. He fought for me like a hero.
Okay, the next one, I know कि ये कहाँ की है, but then I want you to tell me some memory related to it.
This is when we completed 5 years, I think. That's why we're doing 5. हमने 5 साल पूरे किए थे ये है मोहब्बतें में, और हमें चैनल से सरप्राइज पार्टी मिली थी एकता मैम और स्टार प्लस की तरफ से.
It's my personal favorite because I have to go there and I've still not gone there. So what do you have to tell about this one?
I went to Dubai with my parents, and more than this picture, I enjoyed when my parents did the quad biking, and they had so much fun. It was like a mini honeymoon for them. So I wasn't riding, but I just posed because I thought I'm looking cool.
Last wala is like epic because I know how your partner is in real life. So I know कि आप लोगों ने ये shoot करते time कितना fun and कितनी मस्ती करी होगी. And that is this.
Oh my God, I can't tell you. This is a backstory, I'll tell you, okay? So we came back from shoot and we were asked to do this. This is for promotional, obviously. तो हम दोनों मेरे रूम के दरवाजे के बाहर we were looking for a dark space. हमने सारी लाइटें बंद कर दी, हम अपने दरवाजे के बाहर बैठे एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं. We burst out laughing at the end क्योंकि फोन गिराना था end. और हमारी हंसी की आवाज उसमें रह गई. So one video actually posted with our laughter. तो हमें डांट पड़ी उसके लिए कि आप लोगों की हंसी की आवाज आ रही है, एंड में हंसना होता है क्या, आप डरे हुए किडनैप हुए, we deleted and we put it again. So me and this one though is crazy when we get together. I miss her so much. It's been what 10 months now, 8 months that I haven't seen her. Yeah.
Well, this was all I had from your account. Shireen, honestly tell me, how was a walk down the memory lane for you?
अमेजिंग, मुझे इतना मजा आ रहा है यार. तुम कहाँ कहाँ नीचे नीचे पिक्चर्स तक चली गई, खुराफाती एकदम उसकी तरह, जेम्स बॉन्ड की तरह तुमने सारी चीजें निकाल ली अंदर से.
I just went and I'm like, let me see what all does her account has, because she's been returning after such a long time. Let's give her a nice fresh kickstart point out here.
And I never thought also, मतलब अभी आपने जब मुझे वो पिक्चर दिखाई and captions दिखाए, that's when I was like यार अभी थोड़ा सोच के लगाने पड़ेंगे captions और pictures. टेरी चक्कर वाले नजर रख रहे हैं हम पे.
What next from you? When do we get to see you back on the screens? कब लौट रही हैं Shireen Mirza?
दिवाली के बाद. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just going back to Bombay after Diwali, hopefully. And yes, I am in touch with a couple of people. I am looking forward to do something and hopefully something new on the OTT. Just giving you a hint. Something on the OTT, and because I always wanted to do it, and now when I have chances, people are approaching me for it. So why not? It's always good, and I never say no for work. So
I wish you all the luck. It was a pleasure. It was a gala time having you here, and I enjoyed thoroughly talking to you.
Thank you. It was lovely, and it was so much fun to speak to you. I had so much fun, and thank you so much for having me. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Stay safe. I'll see you soon.
Bye. You too. Bye.
Well, thank you so much, guys. This is me, Vishakha Pandit, signing off for now. I really hope कि आपको यादों की बारात में शिरीन मिर्जा में मजा आया होगा. शिरीन की यादें ताजा करने के बाद आपको अच्छा लगा होगा उनके इंस्टाग्राम के स्नीक पीक के बाद. आप हमें अपनी राय हमारे साथ नीचे बने कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर दे सकते हैं. Until then, this is me, Vishakha Pandit, signing off for now.
All about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakka's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.